What is going on, everybody? I am back with another video. Look, you guys seen the title, seen the thumbnail, seen the description. I finally have these Best Buy gift cards, man. Finally. It took way longer than I expected when I ordered them, man. Crazy. But look, I have them right here, and I am going to be actually logging onto my phone in a second, and I'm going to be reading off the people that won. So stay tuned for that. But before I get to that, I just want to say I have been drained, man. I have been tired. Like, I mean, working, like, I work 45, 46 hours a week sometimes, man, and I'm up at 5:30 and working all the way until 4:30 sometimes. So, and I think I put out like 20 videos in like 6-7 weeks, man, and I just I've been drained, like all the editing and, you know, just the videos itself, man. I've been tired, so I kind of slowed down a little bit. I kind of laid off the grind, but I think this is the first video back, man. So I'm gonna start grinding again, and I got a lot of cool stuff with this car coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to throw that out there that, you know, I've been really tired, and but I'm back now. So this is the first video back. I know I put out that POV. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out. I know the quality isn't that good. I'm still trying to work with the exposure and all that stuff, so practice makes perfect. Look, man, I didn't go to school to be a videographer and all that good stuff, so, you know, I'm learning on the fly. With all that being said, let me log on here and let me read off the winners. Now, if you hear your name, please send me your your address, so I can mail this out to you as soon as possible. So the first person is Salty Pretzels. Congratulations, you got you a Best Buy gift card. Number 2, oh man, I think I'm gonna mess this up. Tiraye, Tiraye. Hopefully I said that right. Let me know, comment and correct me if I mess up your name. Number 3, Mr. V8 Cigar. Congratulations, bruh. You got you a gift card. Next one is KT Romero. You got you one. And last but not least, All Cars. You got you a Best Buy gift card. So congratulations, guys. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing and watching my YouTube page. And this is just my way of saying thank you. You know, you see a nice little thank you right there, man. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to hit that like button, that comment, share my video, subscribe, give me the 200, because I said it before, every 100 subscribers that I get, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you guys just, you know, let's just keep this ball rolling, man. Let's just keep getting my subscribers up, man. I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways on this page, man, giving back, especially with everything going on, man, in this world right now, man. Crazy shit, man. Sorry, crazy stuff going on, man. So rest in peace to George Floyd. That's crazy, man. This is unbelievable, man. Them cops get everything they deserve and more. So you know, prayers out to George Floyd's family, man. This is a crazy time we live in. So I feel like it's, you know, it's good to just in the times that we are with all the whole coronavirus and the protests and rioting, it feels good to actually give back. So I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways on this page, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. Let's keep going, man. You know, I really appreciate every single one of you for watching my videos. So with all that being said, that's all I got for this video. And you know, my car is a mess. Look at it, man. 200 on the dash, 200, man. You know, still got the touch screen looking good, ambient lighting, you know, everything's still looking smooth. Oh man, hey, look at this, the camera's still looking beautiful. I just found this out today. You know, you can change the brightness, all that stuff. You know, you can even change the zoom. One second, let me see if I know how to do that. There we go. Look at that, that's cool, right? Yo, man, this Camaro is dope, man. I ain't gonna lie. Camaros is slept on big time, man. Like, I don't know why they even talk about discontinuing the Camaro in 2023, whatever. I'm gonna do a video about that and let you know how I feel about that. But this car is amazing. It's for the price that you pay for this car, all the features you get. I know this, what I'm saying is unrelated to this video, but man, hear me out. Listen, driving this car for almost 2 months now, man. Amazing car, no regrets, man. It's definitely worth it. So if this is your dream car, save up and get it, man. Don't second doubt yourself, you know. Don't have anybody, you know, discourage you, whatever. This car is worth it, man, you know, inside and out. So with all that being said, I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you so much. Be safe out there, and God bless. So see ya.